Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Aishwarya. So today's video is about a makeup look which I'll achieve in just 5 minutes. So I hope you're going to enjoy the video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I make videos related to beauty, lifestyle, cooking and a lot more. Right now I'm applying my moisturizer completely on my face and massaging it in every area so that I don't get it dry later. Now I'm using my sunblock, so the SPF I'm using is maybe 30, I guess. I don't remember what was it, but yeah, it's really important to use your SPF if you are going to go out. No matter you are staying inside or out, you have to apply the sunscreen. This is recommended by dermatologist. So the first step is to use my concealer. As you guys know, I'm not a fond of foundation and I avoid foundation all the time, so this look will be without any foundation, but this will give you a proper coverage and you will get less damage from the makeup on your face, and also in day it will be very friendly. So the steps will be very easy and the products will be very simple and completely available. So I'm just smudging my concealer with the help of my compacts pad. Right now I'm traveling, so I have limited products, and that too I'm using in very hurry because I have just a simple pouch which is like carried all the regular stuff I needed. So मैं बहुत ज़्यादा सा carry नहीं करती हूँ travel में. Now I'm applying my compact fully on my face. You can see the coverage is all right. I just use concealer as a BB cream. I don't want a proper coverage or anything because I mostly believe in natural look for makeup. So if you are a foundation person, you can go for it. So this is what I do and this is how my makeup will be. So now I'm using a MN pencil, which is eyebrow pencil, which is brown in color. So this also give me a very natural look, because in day if you do heavy eyebrows, it like highlights like very badly, so I don't like it. I like more natural, so I'm just putting it as per the shape of my eyebrows. And now for shaping my eyebrows, I'm using concealer. This is a very must step if you are doing your makeup in the day, also in night, but in day it gives a definition to your eyebrows and your face looks more clear and depthful, and even it just give a very opening texture to your eyes. So it's pretty important to shape your eyebrows. You can see the difference already. We'll set all my eyebrows with the help of compact powder, so we'll just be setting it completely. So throughout the video sometimes I'm sitting and standing, so because I'm so I'm not having mirror right now, so just doing it with the help of my camera. And this video is shoot by phone. So the shade I'm using for my eyes, it's a roller pink glitter shade which I use during all my work trips. This is really easy to use, very limited place it takes in my kit. So this is the best thing, and I'm just having a one brush from Urban Decay which I help use it for the blending thing. So this is what I'm going to do for the look. So my makeup will be very simple, convenient, yet it will give you your very nice look, and also it serves your purpose. So now I'm just doing a first coat of mascara. So the mascara I'm using, it's Maybelline. So guys, professionally I don't prefer to apply a lot of liners and all. This look is very trending where you just apply the eyeshadow and mascara, but your mascara should be voluminatic and you will look gorgeous and very professional. So this is what I do in my professional makeup. So this mascara I'm using, but I'm using it fully so that it will give more length to my eyebrows, eyelashes. Now I'm using my liquid tint. This is not a tint, but basically this is a lip gloss, but I use it as a rose for my cheeks, I mean the blush, and this serves the purpose and give me the very great beautiful formal look. So this makeup look never goes wrong, and in day it sparkles very nicely. Even the picture I have attached, You can see it gives me a very great texture in the light. So this is what the makeup look is all about. Very quick, very easy, with used very less products. So this is the outfit and I'm totally ready to rock my professional day. So I have lot of meetings. So I hope you have enjoyed the video. It was quick and really easy to achieve. So please write me in the comment section below you like the video or not, what kind of a content you wanted to watch next. We'll see you soon with another great video. Till then, take care.